It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select with a sport touring package. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have the head-up display button and information tab, some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth leather combination interior, power sunroof overhead. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are the power sunroof buttons, some interior light buttons, and OnStar. Next is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, it has navigation, our shortcut buttons are down below, Wi-Fi capabilities, and this screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just below. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control, dual cup holders, and an electric park brake. At the front of the Encore GX, we have a custom grille with red accents, fog lights, LED headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, keyless entry and keyless start, front and rear sport bumpers, remote start. As we make our way to the back, the rear window wiper and the power lift gate. I'll use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open with ease. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade, some lighting in the back, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some USB ports, rubber floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down with ease by pulling the seat release on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com, or to stay up to date on all things GMC and Buick, you can click the like and subscribe button.